Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School, and before we begin with our video, let us discuss a few important points that we do every day. So the first important point is there, as soon as you step out of the house, you must wear your mask. Right? Without mask, you are not supposed to go out anywhere. And if possible, carry a small bottle of sanitizer along with you so that you can keep your hands germ free. Also, when you come back, immediately first thing you will do is wash your hands properly with a soap for at least 30 seconds. 30 seconds is the minimum time. And also see that you change the clothes when you come back. Please keep yourselves and your surroundings neat and clean. Health is wealth, so always take care of your health and your family. This video is for class 2, subject science. Before we continue, let us read a thought. Nothing is impossible because the word itself says, I am possible. So what is the meaning of this thought? The meaning of this thought is, in the spelling of impossible, the word itself is saying, see, I am possible. The word impossible means which you cannot do. But here in the spelling of impossible, see, if you separate out the spelling, it is written I am possible, means the word itself says that it is possible. So there is nothing in the world which you cannot do. You can achieve each and everything whatever you want to do. So nothing is impossible means if you work hard, you can do anything what you wish for. In today's video, we are going to start new chapter, that is chapter 4, Wild Animals. This is a new chapter, chapter 4 of your science textbook. In this, you will learn about wild animals, you will learn about the homes of the wild animals and the eating habits of the wild animals. So, can you name any one wild animal? The wild animal which we all know, that is lion. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn about different wild animals and their homes and eating habits. So, let us start. So, before we learn what are wild animals, let us just quickly revise what we have learned in chapter number 3. In chapter number 3, we have learned about domestic animals. If you remember, so what are domestic animals? The animals that can be kept at farms or homes are called domestic animals. See, the picture is shown over here. The animals which we can keep at our farm or at our home, that is called domestic animals. We have already learned in the previous lesson. And we have learned that domestic animals are of different types like cow, buffalo, sheep, goat, elephant and so many other animals which you can see over here. Chicken, horse, donkey, all these are domestic animals. Pig is also there, sheep is there. We have seen all these domestic animals in lesson number 3. Then we have also seen what are pet animals. So what are pet animals? See, the image of the pets is shown over here. The animals that we keep in our homes are called pets. So the animals which live with us in our homes, like our family member, like we have brother or sister, same way these animals live with us as our pets. They are called pet animals. So pets are nothing less than a part of the family. They are like our family members. They give so much love to the owner. They give us so much love. Then both the animals and birds can be our pets. We can keep parrot also in our home. So both animals and birds can be our pets. There are different types of pets like cat, dog, rabbit, etc. See, as I said, there can be different kinds of pet animals. Also the birds can be pet animals. This is cat, here is dog, here is rabbit. These animals which can be kept in the homes are pet animals. We have already learnt in the previous lesson, that is lesson number 3. So now let us learn what are wild animals. See, what is the spelling? W-I-L-D, wild. So what is the meaning of this word wild? Means very dangerous, very scary. That is called wild animals. So which are the wild animals? You can see the image over here. There are different kinds of wild animals shown over here in the image. So let us learn. Animals live in forest are called wild animals. So the animals that live in forest means the animals that live in jungle. They are called wild animals. See, here is the definition. Here are some examples of the wild animals. Animals that are found in forest. Some of the wild animals that will harm us, and some of the animals will not harm us. So there are different wild animals as you can see on the screen. All these are wild animals which are found in the forest. Then some examples of wild animals are tiger, lions, cheetahs, snakes, elephants, jaguars, and many more. As you can see all these images, you might know the names of these. See, this is crocodile here and monkey. All these animals which I just spoke the names, all these are wild animals which are found in the forest. Wild animals play an important role for environment. Wild animals will hunt for their food. They will go and they will kill the other animals for their food. They will eat the other animals. Wild animals move from one place to another in the whole jungle, in the forest. Now, can you name these wild animals? Let us identify the wild animals. The pictures are given on the screen. We have to identify, means we have to name them. So, this animal, the king of jungle. What is the name of this animal? This is a lion. So let us write the spelling L-I-O-N, lion. We know the lion is king of jungle and all other animals are afraid of lion. Next, the same other animal which is a wild animal and it is no less than lion, and we know the name of this animal. Everyone knows this animal is a tiger. So what is the spelling of tiger? T-I-G-E-R, tiger. So here is the spelling of tiger. So these are the two wild animals, the most wild animals which we know. These are lion and tiger. L-I-O-N, lion. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. These are wild animals. Then let us identify the next two wild animals. Do you know this animal? Have you seen the picture of this animal? Yes, you might be knowing this is a bear. What is the spelling of bear? B-E-A-R, bear. The animal's name is bear and that is also a wild animal. Then this is again one more wild animal. It has black and white strips on the body and the spelling starts with Z. So the name of that animal is zebra. The spelling is Z-E-B-R-A, zebra, the wild animal. Again one more which is found in forest. So these are the other two wild animals, bear and zebra. Next, let us identify two more wild animals. Have you seen this anywhere? Yes, this is very rarely seen. We don't see this animal everywhere. It is seen very less. So the name of this animal is mole, M-O-L-E, mole, and that is also found in the forest. What is the name? M-O-L-E, mole. And here again a very popular. This animal is very fast and it runs so fast that even car cannot run as fast as this animal. It is faster than the vehicles and faster than all the human beings. It is famous for the speed. So the fastest animal, what is the name? The name of this animal is cheetah. Let us write the spelling CHEETAH, cheetah. We have to learn the spelling CHEETAH, cheetah. It is a very fast animal. So one more last animal, we have to name this animal. See, the mouth is open. It can eat any other animals who will go near the water to drink water, and it can also eat human beings. Do you know this animal? A big animal with a long tail. The name of this animal is crocodile. It is a wild animal. What is the spelling? CROCODILE, crocodile, and I have kept in the blank. What is the spelling? CROCODILE, crocodile. Again, it is a very dangerous wild animal. So this animal, that is the king of jungle, that is lion. The lion is a wild animal, and as I said, the name which we have given is the king of jungle. Lion is a wild animal. Male lion has hair around his neck, which is called mane. So do you know what is this called? The hair of the lion is called mane. M-A-N-E, mane. Lion is a strong and brave animal. It is very strong. Lion hunts and eats other animals. It can kill other animals for food. Lions live and hunt in groups. You will see 2 or 3 lions together. They will attack on one animal and they will eat that animal. So they come in groups. Then the lion has a strong paws, means the part of the leg. The paws of the lion are very strong. Young ones of the lions are called cubs. The child of the lion is called cub, C-U-B, cub. Then lion is brown and little blackish. As you can see, the brown color and little bit blackish in color. And the roar of the lion is very loud. It shouts very, very loudly. And up to a few kilometers, we can listen to the roar of the lion when it shouts. Lion can run very fast. The female lion is called lioness. So male is called lion and female is called lioness. And where do the lions live? They live in den. What is the spelling? D-E-N, den. It is called their home. See, these are the images of some more wild animals. Here is zebra, snake, monkey, kangaroo, panda, then giraffe, gorilla, tiger, elephant. All these are wild animals which we are going to learn in the lesson. These animals are found in the forest area. See, what are wild animals? So let us learn. Animals such as lions, tigers, giraffes, elephants, bears, monkeys and owls are wild animals. So you should remember the names of all these animals: lion, tiger, giraffe, elephant, bear, monkey and owl. These are all wild animals. They live in forest. We cannot keep in our homes. Then some more examples. Now we will see some more examples of wild animals. Which are they? Fox, cheetah, rhinoceros, leopard, wolf, gorilla, panda, etc. So again I will underline the names. These are some more wild animals which are found in the forest and we cannot keep in our homes. We cannot tame them. See, cheetah, as we have seen the image, the fastest animal. Leopard, wolf. Wolf is very smart. Gorilla. So the images of all these animals which we have seen, the names are given over here, and these are the examples of wild animals. That is the name of the lesson. Then next, this is the image of lion, and there are so many lions together. So do you know what do we call it when so many lions are there together? What is the collective noun? Pride. Pride of lions means so many lions. See, approximate you can say 5 to 6 lions are there together. So it is called a pride of lions, means so many lions. The group of lions together is called pride of lions. Then we have already learnt about lion, that is the king of the jungle. Then let us learn about tiger. So do you know this tiger is also a wild animal? See, the tiger is sitting with the young one. So tiger is a wild animal. It is very strong and powerful animal. Tiger is found in crowded forest, means where so many animals are there, tigers will go in that forest. Tigers live in caves. What is the spelling? Caves. Caves. That is called the home of the tiger. The young one of the tiger means this one. See, the child of the tiger, the baby tiger is called a cub. C-U-B. Just like the lion, tiger's child is also called a cub. C-U-B. Cub. Then tiger is yellow in color and black strips on the body. See, black color strips are there, linings are there, and otherwise it is yellow in color. Tiger hunts and eats other animals. So tiger will also kill other animals and eat the animals for the food. Then tiger is a good swimmer. You know what is swimming? Swimming means when you jump in the water and you move very softly in the water from one side to the other side, that is swimming. So tiger is also a good swimmer. It can swim very fast. Then tiger belongs to the cat family. Tiger is known to belong to the cat family. Tiger is called the national animal of India. So this is the most important point that you will remember. Which is the national animal of India? That is tiger. This is our national animal. Then tiger has a long tail and a sharp teeth. As you can see, tigers, they have long tail and sharp teeth. And one more important point, that tigers, they can climb trees very easily. They climb the trees and it is also one of their abilities. So all these are the points of tigers, and the most important point is that tiger is our national animal. Then next image you can see what are these animals. You can see group of animals. This is giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E-S. Giraffes. So do you want to know some points about giraffes? Giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. There is no other animal who is as tall as giraffe. It is very tall animal. It can also be taller than some trees. Then giraffe has a long neck. See, this is the neck of the giraffe, and it has long legs. So giraffe has very long neck and legs. Giraffe eats leaves, shoots and fruits. So what does it eat? Leaves, fruits and shoots. Shoots are small plants. They use their long neck to reach the leaves. Their neck is very long, so they can easily reach the branches of the trees and eat the leaves of the trees. Animals, see, a male giraffe is called a bull, B-U-L-L. The male giraffe is bull. A female giraffe is called a cow, C-O-W. There are two types of giraffe, male and female. Like we have in human beings, boys and girls. Same way in giraffes also there are two, male and female. Giraffe spends most of their life standing up. They even sleep standing up. Means they always stand. They sit down very rarely. Even while standing they can sleep. So giraffe spends most of the life in standing. They sit for very less time. A giraffe can run very fast. A baby giraffe is called calf. What is the spelling of calf? C-A-L-F, calf. That is the baby of the giraffe. Then can you identify the next? These animals standing together, these are elephants. What is the spelling? E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T-S, elephants. So, do you want to know some points about elephants? An elephant is a huge animal, means it is a very big animal. It is the strongest animal, very strong and heavy. It lives in forest. Elephants are also kept in the zoo and they are given training. Animals like elephants, they have 4 legs. They are like pillar, means they are very strong, and a long trunk. This is called the trunk of elephant, from where it drinks water. Then elephant has 2 big fan-like ears. See, very big ears they have, 2 big ears. And male elephants have a long white teeth and it is called tusk, T-U-S-K-S. T-U-S-K-S, tusks. Elephants, they eat grass, they eat green leaves, fruits, sugarcane, etc. What do they eat? Grass, leaves, fruits and sugarcane. Elephant is a very intelligent animal. It has a good mind. It is very smart. It is useful for mankind. Means elephants can help us to carry heavy things from one place to another place. Elephant can have grey or black color skin. As you can see over here, it can have grey or black color skin. Elephant loves to swim in rivers. Do you know elephants can also swim? Then elephants make sound known as trumpet sound. A baby elephant, means the child of the elephant, is called a calf, C-A-L-F, calf. Then let us see one more wild animal, that is bear. Bear is a large animal. See, bear has thick fur and very short tail. What do they eat? Bears eat fruits, plants, insects and small animals. Bear can run very fast. Bears are good at climbing and swimming. A male bear is called boar, B-O-A-R, and female bear is called sow, S-O-W. A baby bear is called cub. See, here are cubs, C-U-B, cub. Bears have large brain and are one of the most intelligent mammals. They have a very good brain. Then you already know what is this? These are monkeys. So monkeys, they live in jungle. What is their favorite food? Their favorite food is the fruit banana. Monkeys jump from one tree to another tree. They are very clever animal. Monkeys can also be trained. Monkeys are of different sizes. Monkeys are also very funny. They will play with us and they are very funny. They make us laugh. Some animals like monkeys, people also keep this monkey in the home as pet animal. And monkeys can also eat seeds, flowers, eggs, fruits, leaves and small insects. Monkey is a very funny animal. Young one of the monkey is called infant. See here, INFANT, infant. The child of the monkey is infant. Here are the images of some more wild animals. Owls. They have a very sharp eye. They can see, and at night also they have very sharp eyes. Then this is fox. Fox is known to be very clever. It has very sharp brain and it is a very clever animal, and it also runs fast. Then cheetah. As you can see the black color dots on the skin of cheetah, and otherwise it is yellow with a long tail. Cheetah is very dangerous and very fast animal. No other animal can run as fast as cheetah. Then rhinoceros, also a very big, very giant animal. It has one horn over here and it is very sharp. It can kill any other animal with this horn, and it is a very heavy animal. Then leopard. Leopard is also yellow. It has black strips on its body and a long tail. Again a very dangerous animal, and it comes in the category of wild animals. We cannot keep leopard in the homes or in the farms. This is also a wild animal. Then wolf. Wolf is a very smart animal. So you can see white color over here. Wolves are fast and clever animals. They also eat other animals for their food, and wolf is also one of the wild animals. See gorilla, a very big animal and very scary. Gorilla is also a wild animal. Then one last image, that is panda, a very funny animal. It always smiles. Panda is also a wild animal. So we have seen the images of these owls, fox, cheetah, rhinoceros, leopard, wolf, gorilla, panda. These are all wild animals. So let us solve one small worksheet based on what we have just understood in today's lecture. So chapter 4, wild animals, that we have just started. Let us read the questions and write the answers. Fill in the blanks. Lion is called the dash of jungle. So what is lion called? Lion is called the king of the jungle. King, king. Then tigers live in dash. The tigers live in caves. So what is the spelling of caves? C-A-V-E-S, caves. Tigers live in caves. It is their home. Then giraffe is the dash animal in the world. So we have just learned today giraffes have very tall neck and legs. So giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. What is the spelling? T-A-L-L-E-S-T, tallest. The giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. Next, elephant is a dash animal. Elephant is very big, so it is called huge animal. What is the spelling? H-U-G-E, huge. Elephant is a huge animal. Then next, bear is a dash animal. Which kind of animal is bear? It is a large animal. So what is the spelling of large? L-A-R-G-E, large. It is a large animal. Next, monkeys live in dash. Where do monkeys live? Monkeys live in jungle. What is the spelling of jungle? J-U-N-G-L-E, jungle. So monkeys, they live in jungle. Let us revise what we have written. Lion is called the king of the jungle. Then tigers live in caves. Giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. Elephant is a huge animal. Bear is a large animal. Monkeys live in jungle. So today we have learnt what are wild animals, and we have learned some points about some of the wild animals. So we will continue this lesson in the next video. Till then, all of you take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.